So guys, like it's been a night since I started my journey from day to show you everything. And this is how the night looks like in China. You can see it's so beautiful out there. Now I'll be going to Dafo Temple and show you the night there. So it's amazing. So guys, it's been all day at the pedestrian street, and now I am looking how the local really eats. This is the food culture here. You can see these are all local foods of China. I have covered up all the street in Guangzhou, Beijing street. You can see this is how the night look like. I started a day. Hello. This is how the night look like in China. Now I'll be. You can look how this really works. It's so interesting. Only in China. Nice. How the locals eat there. I don't know what this is. It's like a different color. Sugar cane juice. Sugar cane, chicken. Since I booked my cab through Didi, I'm going to Dafo Temple. We have So guys, I've reached the spot and I'm heading towards Dafo Temple and show you the temple. Show you like how does it really look like, and we'll end my vlog for today. So let's go and see the place. This place looks really beautiful. See the place at night. Heading to Dafo Temple. Just walking into the street, I think. I'll show you how does it look like. This is the street of China. So guys, I'm here at the Dafo Temple, and you can't believe how beautiful it is. Like I can't even imagine in words. I'll show you in a moment like how this temple really looks like, and you'll be mesmerized with this one. Oh guys, like I came here and I got a picture for myself. So one picture basically 15 yuan. So I got 3 pictures for myself from this beautiful lady. She's a very good, excellent photographer. Yeah, she took a brilliant photo, and I'll share with you guys like how is the photo. So look, the temple is even there. So look at the view. It's amazing, guys, and I try to show you from inside if I can. I don't know it, but I'll try to show you. Guys, like look at the beauty of this temple. It's really amazing. I'll show you from inside. I'm ready. So many people around there, and it's really amazing. The beauty of this temple. This is the temple, guys. really beautiful. I will pin down the location. People are taking videos and see the temple. Very beautiful. This is the other side of the temple. I will show you how temple looks like. So guys, like you can come down here and you can even take pictures. It's a paid pictures. You can ask anyone. There's so many people around. It's just 15 yuan for one picture, about 130, and you should definitely do it. Even though you have a good phone, you should definitely do it because they know the angles that to be used here. It's amazing. Look at that. So guys, I'm closing down today's vlog. So it was really a beautiful experience for me visiting on day one in Guangzhou. I'll be here for 2 more days and I'll cover each and everything. So these are the main attractions in Guangzhou. And look at this temple. This is really amazing.